This video is going to go over the GeoTerms for spatial inequality. Urban areas have many zones. We have already discussed the outskirts, which are located around the perimeter of the city. A central portion of the city is referred to as the heart of the city. This is often the cultural, historic, or business part of the city. In Washington, D.C., it could be the National Mall, with the Smithsonian, museums, as well as some national monuments. In New York City, it could be Times Square, or it could be the financial district. When people think of the financial district or any other rich portion of the city, they think of skyscrapers, luxury apartments, or multi-million-dollar brownstones. These people enjoy a high standard of living. People with a high standard of living can afford jewelry, nice cars, and other wants that they have. The opposite would be a low standard of living. A person with a low standard of living struggles to provide for their needs. People with the lowest standard of living often live in slums. A slum is a neighborhood where houses are built with whatever materials they can find, and they often do not have access to clean water. A slum is a neighborhood where people live in poverty, whereas a tenement is a single building in the slums or somewhere else in the city. Imagine if a slum was right next to the heart of the city. People might have fancy sports cars, and a block or two away, people are living in houses made of cardboard boxes. This is an extreme example of inequality. This is spatial inequality. Spatial inequality is when wealth and the standard of living is not distributed equally to people in a city. So this video covered 5 GeoTerms: heart of the city, standard of living, slum, tenement, and spatial inequality.